Back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good eggnog recipe. Very delicious, very creamy. Just follow along with me and I'll show you exactly how I did it. We're going to start off with 4 egg yolks. Okay. And we're going to put 1/3 cups of milk, or not milk but sugar, into the eggs. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this together very well. Before we add any other thing to this, okay, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of rum extract. Okay, we're going to add in our 2 cups of milk. Okay, it's safe to go ahead. But that I had to change pots because this thing won't work on any pot. It's got to be a magnet type on the bottom. Okay, you want to cook to about 170 to 180 Fahrenheit. Not Celsius, but yeah, it's only 85. So okay, we're going to turn this off the heat. It's already reached the heat of it. And we're going to put in some eggnog. Or some nutmeg, I mean. Back in a moment. We're going to make sure this is okay, perfect. Look at that. We're going to take this, just so we don't have no cooked eggs, maybe, and we're going to strain this. Okay. That smells beautiful. Okay. Okay, we're going to put that in there. And we're going to put this into the ice box to get cold while we work on the next part. Oh, that smells good. We're going to work on the egg whites now. And we're going to okay, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of white sugar. texture. We're going to add in our peaks. We're going to have to put it back into the bowl. Okay, we're going to set this into the freezer to get chilled real cold. And then we're going to come back in and we're going to give this a try. Okay. We got to stir it once. That's the rule. Anytime you pull it out of the freezer or ice box, I didn't leave it in too cold to get too cold. But that's the golden rule. Anytime you do this, you gotta stir it. We're getting ready to pour it. Okay. Now it's got the texture. Now here we go. Start it up. We will pour it. Oh my God, that looks so good. Very delicious. Okay, we're going to do a taste on this. That is so cold, so delicious. That is so creamy. And like I said, it is very delicious. Oh my God. Well, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I will see you next time.